On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. Let's go on our gang. What is going on, everybody? It is Thursday. It is a time to somewhat celebrate. I guess we can celebrate all-time high. I mean, by what? $20? Incredible pump yesterday evening. Slow and methodical price action into pumpage. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully we're all doing well. I know I wasn't here yesterday, but you know, there were some updates that saved a lot of people in our Discord. I warned them that we would go to 109.7. It was a fake out. It dumped, and then we slowly but surely crawled back up and pushed to all-time highs yesterday. Congratulations, everybody, on your gains. Congratulations on your altcoins. They're only down 50% now. Oh, man. Sorry, I had to do that. Is that rude? Is it too early for that? What's going on, everybody? Let's say good morning to all you guys and get into these charts. I think everybody just unsubscribed there, so. What's going on, everybody? I mean, we did say to buy pudgy penguins. Let me know. You're part of our Discord. Did I not say to buy pudgy penguins? And did I not buy it myself? Let them know. We said to do it. Them damn penguins are everywhere in Canada. Oh, man. Trying to infiltrate my beautiful igloo here in Canada. What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin rolling over here. A little SFP this morning. Oh, SFP, we flagging out right now. We doing the Bart Simpson, everybody. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Considering a long here, though. Can we bounce? SFP here. Coming back within the range. I'd like to see us close a little bit higher than this. We'll have to see, everybody. Thank you for being here and hanging out, smacking up like buttons, all that good stuff. Good morning, Rashad, Django, Shriyan, AlexOCrypto, Blue Collar Trader. If you are new here, make sure you do say good morning. That's the only thing that I actually request you do. I don't want you to be there in the back being an absolute lurker and, on your wanking chariot, taking bad trades. At least say good morning, man. What's going on, Blue Collar Trader? Good to see you, man. Justin Eubanks, WeBank, be your own bank. Simeon Davis. Simeon or Simeon? Good morning. Let's get it. Donato Cabrera, Aaron. What's going on, Lorelai? Good to see you guys in here. Alexandra G. What's going on? Good to see you. Drive safely. Good morning, hot gang. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin Dreamer, what's going on, JB? Taylor Woods, AlexOCrypto, Cabrera, Bull Runner, Albert Rad, Jagukuk, Dylan VA, Crypto Pondering. Good morning to you. Good to see you in here. Rob S, Quick Smoker, Mass Rider. What's going on to the Aussies out there? What's going on to the Brits out there? Let's see. Where are we all from, right? I know. I'm not going to include everybody. Where ya from? We can go North America. We can go Euro, including the UK. Okay, get along. We'll go Australia, because I think there's a lot of Australians here. And then other, let me know. I need to know. Where y'all from? I mean, I'm up here in my igloo in Canada, chilling, literally. What's going on, Taylor Woods? Good to see you. Dylan VA, good morning to you, man. Crypto Pondering, thank you for being here. Rob asks, good morning, gang. Philip C. Donato Cabrera, forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Let's go, baby. How's that money tree going, man? You still got the money tree going? Oswald's growing like a mofro lately. Chantel, what's going on? Gains for life, my man. How's it going, man? Good to see you in the chat. Call, Dusty, F-Bomb. Paul Hindenburg. Is that are you related to that? Is that the blimp? Is that, what was it called? The Hindenburg? That big-ass fiery blimp thing? I don't know, man. PB Stack, what's going on? Just call me Al. What's going on, Mickey? Milan, Paper Planes, my brother. Isn't it time for bed? I told Paper Planes at least I put him to bed with some singing, some lullabies, and some money in his pocket. Hopefully we help him navigate these charts. What's going on, bro? I've known Paper Planes since day one, man. In the Candles Discord. What's going on, Seymour Liddy, my man, brother? What's going on, man? Good to see you. Mickey, alt seasons has started now. Meow? Meow. Now, don't get all nibble-dibble. Meow. Do I look like I drink milk from a saucer, meow? Meow, do you know how fast you go, meow? I don't think so. Not yet, man. Not yet. ETH's got to get above 2,900, in my opinion. ETH has to break through, that barrier. All right, meow? Meow. Wolf and Bear, what's going on? Just cover it, B-Rad. If you know, you know, right? R Pink, the Bernie, what's going on? Good to see you, F-Bomb. Jeffrey Stone Cipher. PB Stack. Daniel. Man, I take one day off, and I'm ready. I'm ready to just, with the banter, I don't know. I'm not normally that good with the banter. But we on one now. Meow. Brian S. Chris, what's going on, man? Good to see you. I bought the penguins. I said to buy the penguins to the whole Discord. I said, I'm going to buy the penguins. I showed you that I bought the penguins. And then I told you I sold the penguins. So I sold the penguins a bit early, but I made some good money on it. So you can't complain about buying it. I bought penguins and made 7 racks. I'm not going to really complain. AUB, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Great update yesterday before the short squeeze. Yeah, I think I protected everybody. I was in the allergy clinic. Okay, and we're ramping up. And Crypto Face is in a $20 million long. Shout out to Face, man. He absolutely crushed it, right? And I'm like, 109,700 rejection. It's a fake out. 109,700. Look at that. Oh, okay. It's a fake out. And I hope I protected everybody in the Discord. I said, don't, because then it rugged everybody. I was able to get long here. I was able to get long here. I was able to get long here. Okay. But yeah, they're gonna, like today, man. What are they doing right now? They're coming back for us, right? They're coming back. So yeah, I hope I protected the people. The number one job, at least, you can do if you're a guy on the internet pressing buy and sell, is at least protect your community. I take pride in that here. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. 200 people in here, 60 likes. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for smashing up those like buttons. We're here live. We take trades every single day, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We've done really well this week, okay? Even on the live streams, Monday was a break-even day. Tuesday, winners. Wednesday, no trading, okay, because I had an appointment. Let's see what we get here on Thursday. I had a great trading day after my appointment yesterday. No live stream, but let's jump into this. Okay, rolling over here for Biddy. We can look for the liquidity sweep here. This is not like my favorite spot. I do have a nice little support level here at 110, 200. We got the Simpsons going on. Okay. All of our previous day pivots are down back at 109, 108. Okay. So the euphoric pump can be trumped. Okay. Pun intended. We'll see where we get down to. We got the 50-minute camel toe pattern right now printing. We got yeah. If anything, we're coming back down in here, but we'll see where we go. No trade right now. No trade that's open. We're just trying to remain patient. Say good morning to everybody. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. Good morning, everybody. Brian S. Bugs Mom, good morning. Jet Pilot, Al Jr., R Pink, good morning, man. Good to see you, bro. Who won the did someone win the 10 grand yesterday from CryptoFace? I wasn't able to stay up and watch it. Did one person win? What was the deal, guys? New York? Okay, Ireland? New York, we're neighbors. I'm in Toronto. Czech Republic, Ireland. Let's go, Ireland. I'm going to be in the UK next week. South Africa. Awesome. Iran. Pengu. You're from Pengu, Django. Yeah. Awesome morning. Southeast Asia. Beautiful. You in like Bali, Thailand? I've been to Bali before. Michigan, South Africa. Switzerland. Let's go. My friends are going to Switzerland soon for the women's soccer, I believe. They love women's soccer. Don't ask, okay? Big, what's going on, Crypto Pondering? Good morning, Alex. I heard you were getting breast reduction surgery yesterday, and I hope you recover fast. I don't have moobs, Dave. I think that's when you know you need to go to the gym. When you start getting a little bit of saggy on the breasts as the men, if you start getting a little sag here, that's when God's trying to tell you, gravity is not going to be your friend. Okay? Coin Pulse, what's going on? Philip C, what's going on? French Toaster in the chat. Nice bounce. All right, come on, baby. Push. What are we sweeping lows here? That's kind of lame. Lower. I think lower. What do you guys think? I think lower. No trade here. Fakir, good morning. HFG, what's going on, man? Just cover it. My man. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Good morning, Alex O and the Otter gang. Let's go, baby. Oh, the humanity. Let's go. Who's long right now? Not I. I'm no trades right now. I've closed a lot of my trades. I closed even my SUI trade yesterday. I didn't have a lot in it, but we did give a beautiful SUI trade set up in our Discord. Oh my God, so good. I mean, we gave a plethora of setups, man. Look at this thing on SUI. TP2 hit. We gave the Ethereum trade from the bottom here. Okay, I posted this on X. This was the setup in our Discord. Incredible. Okay, incredible. I mean, obviously you come after a pump like this and you can come in here and brag. Okay? I'm not here to brag. I'm just here to say that the TPs were given in the Discord. I mean, you got the Ethereum pump. Look at that. Barely any drawdown. Okay? The SUI setup, this has been there for forever. Look at how long you've had to get into the SUI setup. Okay? You've had the virtual setup. I can flip through the catalog if you want to see the setups. I mean, Solana setup, that was there. That I think that's pretty good. Injective setup, that's doing pretty good. Virtual setup, that's doing pretty good. Even the fart coin setup, Even the fart coin, okay? I'm not tooting my own horn. I'm just saying this Discord hype. There's another one. Oh man, hype. Oh man. I think we did all right, Discord. The Discord will tell you how awesome the Discord is. Like I can't sell crap. I can just show you results. Okay? That's it. That's it. I can go through here and I can show you that I gave all these ideas before that even happened. Set alerts. Enjoy your weekend. We were 5 for 7 before that, right? 5 for 7. One of them did not enter. One of them got stopped out, and 5 of them won. So really, you're 5 for 6. This one in here, like full TPs hit. The Discord will tell you. What's going on, Neo Dog? Shamitris, good morning. Good to see you. Trader G, what's going on? Magic is real. I agree. Meow. Alexandra G, what's going on? Stone Cipher, Melissa. Django says the Discord rocks. Love you. Love you, Django. If we retrace, what levels are we looking at? We got a little volume stop here at 110, 250. And then 109, 600. Okay, the 109, 600 is more ideal. We do have an order block in here. We have a golden pocket ratio. Okay, if we go swing low to swing high from this move out, this would be our giant ratio just below. So why aren't we looking here? Because that would be acceptance back into the range. So we're looking at the impulse here where it first starts, which is a retest of previous highs. So that would be that first level that we are interested in. We also have a little order block in here that we are looking to possibly tap, as you can see in here. We have previous day orbs and previous day highs, a lot of pivots as well. So if we look in here, we can see that we have our pivot levels down in here. So we're looking to come to that as well. So if we're going to roll over in Bart Simpson, I would look for 109.6 to hold, and then we'll see if, we got a couple stops. Like this is, there's not much here, but it is a level nonetheless. It is like our volume level for continuation to the upside. Is 110, 250, okay? We could just sweep this low and continue upwards, okay? Because we are very bullish right now. Like, obviously, we've had a very euphoric pump. And, we've seen better pumps than this. This is kind of rookie number pumps, right? So, would we consolidate today on a Thursday and then pump Friday? Possibly, right? Just to kind of shake out some of the leverage, I wouldn't be surprised, okay? We'll go over top-down analysis. I'd just like to say good morning to everybody. And make sure that want to join. Keep getting expiration error. Okay, please check email. Just come over to the Discord. I'll get it sorted for you, man. Come over to the Discord. Go over to chat with Alex. Ask Alex anything. So you can bug me all you want. You can bug me. You can come here and you can ask me, Alex, what is your shoe size? You can. Whatever, I'll answer. I'm very active in the Discord. I ain't one of these people who I'm withholding of it. Okay? Okay? I'm not withholding of it. Maybe you got kicked, Magic. I don't know. Maybe the mods kicked you or banned you. Maybe you showed up with shilling it in mind. I'm not sure what happened. But maybe you can drop me I'll message you if you want, or you can message me on X or something like that. I don't know, man. We'll figure it out. Bitcoin rolling over here. The link is right here. I can give you your own link. Here's your own link. Here's a beautiful link. There you go. Freaking awesome Discord. Let's go, baby. Lasers, pew pew. Love you, Frenchie. Yeah, okay. We all love French toaster, man. Brosnans, good morning to you. Eric, the Netherlands. Let's go, man. Okay, a lot of Americans and Canadians in here. Eric, the Netherlands. What's going on? Oh, buddy. You messaged me on X yesterday. Okay. We can talk on X. I'll go and respond to you on X. So Bitcoin rolling over here, a little bit of toppiness. How low do we go, right? How low do we go? The NASDAQ continuing to rip to the upside, putting in a new high right now, looking for a little bit of a retracement after this big push for the NASDAQ. All-time high is still like, very, very awesome. Like completely ripping here on the NASDAQ. The SPY, similar story. Okay. No reason to think this is topping out just yet. I just like to watch these as confluence. Okay. And then we're getting some rippers, right? We're getting like MOG to the upside, WIF to the, like a lot of these meme coins. I was looking at MOG. I was going to give a setup here, but, you know, maybe I was just hesitant. I like to pick the creme of the creme, you know. That's it. Oh, my God. Look at Look at Pengu, guys. We were buying in here and in here. Jeez. It's almost at 2 cents, guys. Whew. We were looking for the pullback. I don't know if any of you got the pullback, but I gave 2 pullback levels to you guys the other day. Incredible. Awesome. Virtual, same thing. Yeah, it's ripping too. So what do we do in situations like this, okay? Because obviously we all got the FOMO, right? I can smell the FOMO through the microphone. I have one of these new Shure microphones with smells, okay? So please don't drop any, like, you know, farts or anything like that. But we look at Total 3 here, and I've been monitoring Total 3 on this downwards trend here, looking for the breakout retest. And we really identified it right in here where we had broken this momentum to the downside, and we were looking for the continuation out and the mitigation of this high in here, okay? These are bullish signs. This means that even if this thing retraces down into here, it's still in an uptrend now. We have definitely mitigated some critical highs here on the higher term time frame. So this is a very good start of, you know, a pump. And as you can see, when this happened before, whoop, boop, 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 we broke, we retested, and we went, right? We broke, we retested, and we went. Okay? So can this continue to rip? Absolutely. It's just how do we position ourselves accordingly to get into these trades, right? Because this is what happens all the time on Total 3. Okay, you get these beautiful, long, drawn-out trend lines here. You get the breakout, you get the retest, and then you go to Valhalla. Okay? Same thing in here, all the way down. Then you go to Valhalla, little one, okay? So this is literally what we're looking for in here, is we're looking for something like this. Breakout, retest, Valhalla, right? So any higher low should be look to be bought up, right? I'm not saying it's going to go to, you know, the moon. I'm just saying these are the things that we want to watch. And right now, Total 3 is giving us the tell, right? Dominance dropping, about to lose a low. Okay, I would like to see dominance close below 64%, 64.4%. Mitigating this low, rolling over. Okay, I do not want to see a fake out. We got faked out before, right here. Okay, fake out, continuation. I would like to see candle closes below the lows. Okay, so I need some closing down in here. Then we can look for a lower high and look for a continuation down and more altcoin pumpage, okay? Not until then. Confirmation, always confirmation. So these are some of the things that I'm monitoring. We go a little bit more into detail in the Discord. We can see that others chart is breaking this aggressive downtrend as well, okay, for all you massive altcoin fiends. Okay, so this can still come back and retest and then go. Okay, that's what I want to warn you about. I don't want you guys to be like, oh, I'm buying every altcoin known to man, and then all of a sudden you're down 30%, right? So these are the things that I'm monitoring. Bitcoin, all-time highs, hovering up at the highs, rotation into altcoins. Very, very common thing to see. Okay, going through market cipher here. We are slowly trickling down. The VIX is still quite low, guys. 16 here on the VIX means we are slow AF. Okay, it doesn't mean, you know, price is going to all of a sudden start moving really quickly. It just means that, hey, slow and methodical, man. And that's okay. We're prepared for, we know that we're going to have to wait a little bit longer for the setups, which is fine. Okay? And how to trade them. right now we have a beautiful couple of things going on in Market Cipher that I need to address with you guys. So we're going to take a look at that. We can see that the daily ramping to the upside, VWAP bouncing off the zero line. Very nice for Market Cipher here. Continuation up. Lots of room to go. Okay, lots of room to go on the daily and the 3-day. Okay, you can see still lots of room. Okay, so, and when we start peaking, you can see in here, we just stay above there. Okay, and this is days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Right? We're not even there yet. We're not even like eclipsing yet. Eclipsing, what a word. Okay, so these are all things to look at. We look at our weekly candle. Our weekly candle is continuation right here. Okay, however, the warning signs, double top. Okay, double top. We have a double top warning sign right now. Double top here. We need to address things like this. Double top. It's okay. I would like to see us move a little bit faster here. If looking for an SFP right now. Sorry guys, I'm watching it on the other screen here. Oof. Nice sweep. Nice sweep here. Still waiting. Retest the previous lows. Now this flips into resistance, right? So for me right now, just we got to get above this. Of course. Of course. I like the volume in that candle. V-shaped recovery coming. Trying to close back within the range. Kind of cruddy. We only have still got 2.5 minutes on this candle here. 3 minute. Trying to go here. Retesting lows. No trade yet. Still waiting, guys. Considering a long, though. Considering a long. No decision yet. Okay. What's going on, Crypto Alt Delete? Good to see you. Nice push here. I would wait for the long, bro. Liquidity is still down. Absolutely. Well, we'll see. Could take a little long. We'll see. Depends on what price action does here. News today. Ernie, what news today is coming out, man? I thought it was a pretty clear day. What news is coming out, man? Golden Child, good morning. Bearded Mac Mike, good morning from Tulsa, Oklahoma. Awesome, man. Thank you for being here. Wix Wife, Fine 89. Good to see you in the chat, wifey. Good morning to you, Crypto Surfer, Wayne C, Infinite Team TA, my brother. What's going on, bro? TP 50% on Pengu, long the full move on Pengu. Let's go, Surfer. I think Surfer got the hint yesterday. Was that yesterday I gave you guys the hint on Pengu there, Surfer? I think so. Crypto Alt Delete, what's going on? Nice push here. 30 seconds on the candle close. Good morning, Wayne C. Hopefully you got a wonderful sandwich and you're enjoying your vacation, my brother. Lunar Beaches, what's going on, man? Beaches and hoes. Beaches and hoes. Pew, pew. Golden Child, good morning. Lasers, good morning. HFG, good morning. CG Beats, good morning. Good to see you. We need juice. It's a trap. HFG, man. Okay, so let's say we bought this candle, HFG. What's going to happen here? Okay. HFG says it's a trap. Bearded Mac Mike, CPI. 114K. Let's go, says Wave Cipher. Let's go, baby. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Bearded Mac Mike, CPI. Unemployment. I don't think we have any data. I checked this week. We always check the data. What do we got here? You guys making me second guess myself now. Yeah, we don't got jack. We don't got jack diddly squat today. We got initial jobs claims. Came in below expectations. Initial jobs. No sandwich, Wayne, just kebabs. I'll take a kebab. Kebabs are good. Good effing morning. Cocaine. Kokanee. It's kokanee, right? It's not cocaine. It's kokanee. What's going on, kokanee? Big orange X today. HFG is correct. We'll see where it goes. Anyways, no trade here. Let's continue our top-down analysis. So what we can see the weekly, and we want to close the double top above this. Okay, the daily has lots of room to grow. Money flow is looking quite nice. I would like to see the higher low, or the higher high, sorry, on money flow. This would be the Valhalla thing, you know. And then we can, my God, that would just be so beautiful. So that's what I'm watching here, and I'd like to see stochastics become one. That's also a nice idea. The warning sign, everybody. The warning sign is this, everybody. 12-hour red stochastic. A lot of the time, I use the stochastics to front run the move, right? So if you had looked at this one here, when it flipped green here, this tells you, hey, man, we're going to pump eventually. You get the big dump. It front runs the actual move. You get the big dump, so it just follows continuation, but then the pushback, right? It gives you the pushback. So it front runs the actual move, but it tells you, hey, we're going to go up eventually. This is saying, hey, we're going to go down eventually, okay? Even here, this is when it flipped red, okay? It's telling you, even though we're pushing up here, we're eventually going to dump down. This is where it flipped green, right here. Look at that. That front ran perfectly. So just something that I do pay attention to, and I think you should too. A little bit of a warning sign here on our 12-hour. Okay? 8-hour. Always looking at the 8-hour for money flow. I got to check the 6-hour now because CryptoFace was talking about the 6-hour a lot yesterday. Does anybody know the secret about the 6-hour? I haven't done much back testing on the 6-hour. The 6-hour here. What did he see yesterday? Okay, so we got ramping all the way up. Ramping. VWAP holding here. We got the VWAP crossover trigger wave. I like that. Is that bullish divergence? No. Okay. Anchor trigger wave. 6-hour continuation trade. Very tight. I can see this. This is quite nice, actually, in there. Interesting. So the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1. The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 are very overextended right now to the upside. We're looking for the retracement. Where it happens, we don't know, but we're prepared to take the trades, and hopefully you guys are too. We got 286 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. We're here live every single Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Taking live trades with you guys, hanging out with the best Discord in all of crypto. The cheapest, the best, the kindest. Just be kind, don't be a douche canoe, and please, for the love of God, just say good morning, man. All right, just say good morning. He liked that the gates were open with lots of time left. The gates are now closed, yeah. Yeah. That's an upside down stiletto. The stiletto pattern is printing, everybody. Just need some chop and an SFP. We'll see what we get here. A little bit of patience will prevail. Nasdaq continues to rip here. A little fake out. We'll see where we get to today. We're going to have to do a food poll. What is the best dessert? Cake. Pastry. Chocolate. Oh, we can do ice cream. How about we do ice cream? Other. Let me know. We had to go here today, guys. It's one of those days. It's one of those days. I got to fill up some more coffee. I'm going to leave you with that. And play you a little tune because, you know, that's how we roll here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Bitcoin, gonna rip. I'm leaving. Remember, it's gonna rip.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
All right. You guys are all having dessert on me. Our trade's still valid. SFP bounce here. Trigger wave. What's going on, everybody? What kind of dessert are we all eating here? Besides Dave. Dave is probably eating some like healthy. What is Dave eating? Dave, what are you eating? German chocolate cake. German. Have I missed out in life or something? Oh man, German chocolate cake. I love that. It sounds delicious. I'm like a pastry. Like if there's kryptonite, it's pastries. Like me, cherry cheese Danish. Like go get me started. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a pastry. It's a pastry. Did I spell pastry wrong? I did, man. It's early. It's not even pastry. It's pastry. Oh man, I really messed that one up. Pastry. I vote roller skates. I agree. Always roller skates. Tiramisu. Ooh, that's very Italian of you. Tiramisu. No gluten? Boston cream pie? Oh my god, that sounds delicious. Chocolate is not a dessert, it's a snack. I love it. My chocolate cake, everyone raves. Okay, Lorelai, I expect chocolate cake for the Discord then. I expect it. Diogo, good morning. Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here, Golden Child. A donut is a pastry for Americans with a dash of diabetes. Best dessert, I'm going with Sahara. Sahara? What's Sahara? What about baklava? What's the Sahara? What's the Sahara? Has anybody seen that desert? I mean dessert? Sold hyper too early? Yeah, it's the story of everyone right now. Pralines? What did the ladies say? What did Melissa, Alexandra G, Lorelai, Stephanie, Jeanette? Snitch Goblin, not yet, man. We're still waiting here. Cheesecake all the way. I love, oh man, cheesecake. There's this one Jewish bakery down the road from us. Oh my God. The best food, best cheesecake I've ever known. They just do cream cheese the best, right? A nice chocolate mousse. I think the best dessert is apple crumble and custard. Ooh wee, especially if you warm up the custard. Oh man, with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. Oh, oh man. The most Google Illini bars. You're not sending me to like your OnlyFans, right? All right, we got Eleni bars. I'm gonna tell my wife to make these. It looks like this morning. Okay. German bars, yeah. Krankenhausen. So good it'll send you to the Krankenhausen. Oh man. We haven't done a food poll in a while. What's going on, Melissa? Good to see you in the chat. Chocolate cake, warm, yes. Let's go. You guys are getting me hungry now. You guys got to behave yourselves. Let's get rid of this poll. You guys just. People are gonna come in here and it's like, is this a food channel and trading? Oh my God, I'm here. Subscribe. And if you are new here, we are live trading every single day, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Hanging out with you guys. This is what we do. This is our job. Currently, we're trying to turn 25,000 into 50,000. We're at 34,000. So we're doing really good. And it's been only 2 weeks, so we're doing pretty good. 2 weeks we've been doing this challenge, right? So trying to flip it, man. Trying to flip it. And it's been good. Everybody's here. You know, we take trades live. We say what we're looking for, how we're entering, what we're looking for, trading Bitcoin on a daily basis. Kicking ass, taking names. We have the most amazing group here. The Otter gang. Yes, we are Otters, and please address me as Lord Otter and King Beaver. Why? Because, you know, my even my chat GPT knows that I told it. I've told my chat GPT to address me as Lord Otter. Okay? My chat GPT says, of course, Lord Otter. Here's a dad joke worthy of your noble title. Why did Lord Otter bring a ladder to the bar? Because he heard the drinks were on the house. Shall I fetch another? Your otterness. I mean, I do like being called Lord Otter and your otterness. It is pretty sweet. Has anybody asked ChatGPT to give themselves a name? Do you mind naming yourself? Not at all. Call me Sir Synth? No, we don't like that. Make it more funny and interesting. The Duke of Dad Jokes. I like that. We'll call it the Duke of Dad Jokes and Lord Otter. We're embarking here. So a little bit of Bart Simpson here. See if we roll over. In the short-term time frames, like that's kind of what we prioritize. Obviously, we use the higher-term time frames for confluence, but the 3 and the 4 can stay up for as long as they want, right? We look for little V-shaped recoveries on the 3 and the 4 in here, but the 2 and the 1 are really going to tell us when we get to this area of the 0 line here, and when we get overextended on the VWAP, which we are approaching right now, can we get a bounce and continuation out? Okay, these are the things we watch for. Now, we don't need to be a wizard and catch this thing dropping, which we do sometimes, okay? But we look to retrace halfway down this candle. Shout out to Tino and his Vecta candle. And catch the higher low continuation. However, overextended to the upside, grabbing enough liquidity, double top on the weekly, we could easily come back into here. Doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna, just something we're prepared for. Okay? Right now we are rolling over, losing momentum to the upside, so we will track momentum here. I made a new momentum template. Momentum. Let's go. Just so people know what we're looking at. Okay? And as we continue to go down, like we are. Good job, HFG. He called that we would continue downwards because there's more liquidity. Good job, bro. I don't know if I necessarily listened to you, but you did credits given where credit is due, and he did say we're going to roll over a little bit more. So good call, HFG. Very nice. And we'll see if we roll over. Okay? Grok went all... Did he really? Let's see some otters in the chat. Risha, what's going on? Kyle's trading 1K to a milli. Yeah, Kyle's an amazing trader. He can do it. We can do it. 1K to a milli. It's probably going to take him a couple years. I'm not kidding. He told me himself. He said it'd probably take him a couple of years, but Kyle's very capable. He's an incredible trader and using great risk management, rules-based trading. It's always really awesome to see Kyle trade. He is one of our traders in our Discord, okay? So if you aren't aware of who Kyle is, Kyle's like family. I've actually been to Kyle's house and broke bread with him and had a beautiful Chinese food with Kyle. But he gives those setups. He gives, the beautiful trades, yada, yada, yada. Yes, he got stopped out, but yes, he manages his risk. And yes, he does give amazing trade setups throughout the day in our Discord like this. Okay? So, incredible person, good human, giver's gain, all that good stuff. Go and support Kyle. I believe he is live right now. We could go over and storm him if you wanted to. I haven't stormed him in a while. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Well, he's not live right now. He's busy. Cherry cheesecake. I like some cherry cheesecake. Ever since I learned to eat, I forgot how to look good without a shirt. Wick, that's very true. Thank you, HFG, for the financial advice, man. This is never financial advice. HFG telling us to back up the truck, baby. Now we're talking a little bit of anchor trigger wave here, a little bit different. Okay, see if we can continue to the downside. We missed you yesterday. You got plenty of me yesterday, Piper. Piper, didn't I tell the people to look at Pengu? I think I did again, man. I can't. I think we got to stop, I really am going to buy a big chunk of wood and carve out a big old spoon because I'm spoon feeding. I think I'm spoon feeding, so it's kind of where I'm at with the spoon feeding powers here. The 30-minute getting overextended to the downside. VWAP posturing flat, which does suggest we can push back here. Okay. 24, yeah, same deal. Curving to the upside. 12-minute double bottom here, curving to the upside, trying to push through. Red money flow, not looking too hot just yet. I'd like to see volume come in. If we get volume, okay, just like we saw volume in here, if we get volume and then a spike back, that's where we're looking to enter. Not yet. Okay, patience here. We can see NAS is pretty flat as well. So we remain patient in here, everybody. So we'll see how that goes. The SPY, same deal, right? Nice momentum to the upside. The VIX is bad right now, guys. Very slow. It's very, very slow. So we wait. Try to be patient here. We had a beautiful pump yesterday evening. Some of you caught it. Some of you didn't. However, the Discord was protected yesterday, which is important. I did stop them from buying the top during the morning session, even though I wasn't even on the charts. So that's always a win. We might have to switch this up here. Make it a little bit more aggressive here. My accuracy is failing me. Just hold control, Alex. Thank you. Okay. Continuation down right now. Key levels below us. We do have this one level down in here at 110.250, which is really our first target to the downside. So easily done. You can see there's like a little stop in here, but it's not that. This is a volume-based level that we're looking at. Also, we have this level down below here at 109.650. Okay, so right now, a little bit of patience. I know you guys all want this thing to go to the moon. You wish you bought Pengu. You wish. Well, today's a new day. So let's just be patient here. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin to the downside right now. Typical Bart Simpson, right? So we're here watching The Simpsons. It's the late 90s. You know, everything's getting weird. But, you know, we're here for it. We're here for it. Oh, gotta love the late 90s, man. Bunch of weirdos, right? that's when things stopped being, late 90s to early 2000s. That's when things started getting weird. As soon as you started throwing CDs at each other, CDRWs at each other like ninja discs, guilty. That's when things stopped being fun, right? Shout out to the burnt CDs, the big shiny tunes. Put a 1 in the chat if you had big shiny tunes. That was the best, man. You got all the hits. What's going on, R Pink? Good morning. Lucky deal. Thank you for being here, Jesse. Playing Doom, Counter-Strike, killing Tamagotchis. Oh, man. Good times, man. Kyle is the poop. Yeah, I agree, man. I traded $50 to $1,000 in 3 trading days. Great job, Mickey. Congratulations on your gains, man. That's awesome, bro. I love that. Is that the Market Cipher indicator? If so, which one are you using? Yeah, Market Cipher B, man. We are sponsored by Market Cipher here. CryptoFace did sponsor us like almost a year ago now. Pretty cool, man. Great job, man. The hardest part is keeping it, Mickey. Don't forget that. The hardest part is keeping it, right? Risk management. You can't I'm not saying you can't, but you can't plan to when you're going on a losing streak. Let's put it that way. Right? You can't plan, like, even if you're like 70% win rate. I think mine's around 81 this month. Okay, 81. But you can't plan when you're going to get those losses. And sometimes those losses come in bunches. Okay, and if you're not using good risk management, like I think it was 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I was down 2,000 for the week. It happens, right? I mean, before that week, it was 4K, 6K, 3K, 2K, right? So for me, I like to make generally $4,000 to $1,000 a day. That's me. That's my happy place. Okay? That's over 50K a year from trading. And most of the time it's more than that. Okay? Some days we hit home runs, but if you don't manage your risk, this all disappears. Okay? So the hardest part is keeping it. Ask anybody who's been trading for a while. The hardest part is definitely keeping it. I like this pushback here coming into 9 o'clock, everybody. We're going to check the hourly and the half hour as we proceed here. Thank you guys for being here. Smacking up those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. We're here live every morning. Make sure you guys are smacking up those like buttons. 125 likes. I think we can do a little bit better. We got 300 people in here. So thank you, everybody, for hanging out, kicking ass, taking names. Patience will prevail. Okay? We wait here. You got mail. Oh, my God. You got mail. You got mail. You got mail. I want to go to Hawaii. Yeah. Oh, my God. Dusty. We used to think that was so funny. I burned CDs just this week. Let's go, man. Let's go. Django's a musician. Shout out to Django. Y2K rocked. Yep. The best time. The Simpsons have predicted a lot of weird things. Absolutely. Failing to get above this momentum here. See how we roll. Oh, nice buy up here. Bull divs. Coming back within the range. Nice push. Hourly candle. Just closed. Flattening out here. Nice posturing for the hourly. 30-minute VWAP to the upside. Ugly candle on the 30, but getting bought up a little bit here. The 15. Printing green dot. VWAP crossover to the upside. Looking okay. Could be a fake out. If we make a higher high, close a candle above this high, we look for the retest, we get long. Not until then. We still wait. We could have bought this wick here on this candle close. This is a nice wick test if you don't know. Yeah, very nice wick test. So you have your wick test, 3 candle pattern right here. I don't know how to explain it to you guys here. This is your wick here. Your retest right there. Okay. You're buying this bullish candle here. This is the doji engulfing candle. You're buying the wick test in here and looking for continuation out. Okay. TP1, which you would have hit. Stop loss to entry. Quick scalp. Easy money. Okay. One of the trade setups we teach in the Discord. It's right there. Okay. Easy scalp trade setup. Wick test, bullish engulfing, doji, bullish engulfing, retest, continuation. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. 15 looks juicy. See if we get follow through here. Nice follow through. Got to close above this high now and look for a retest. That's where I'm at. Okay. You guys distracting me. I'm going to blame you guys. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We just wait here. Nice push here. Coming back for some liquidity in these lows here. We're still in the downtrend, everybody, unless we close here. So let's be patient. Bitcoin trying to go here. Still waiting here, guys. No trade yet. More of a liquidity grab right now, in my opinion. Getting everybody a little bit excited right now. Are you guys excited? I'm excited, man. Look at this all-time high tap. Alts are pumping. Later, Magic Mike. Take care, man. Nelly Dean, what's going on? Gang. Good to see you as well. Hey, how do you move your vertical line horizontal? I'm not sure which one you're talking about. You're talking about the trend line? This is just extend to the right. Okay. Extend to the right. Option here, style, extend to the right, okay? Then you can just make it a regular one, right? Like, save it in your templates, right? Basic. Hold shift. Get all the degrees, okay? 45s, horizontals. Hold control, it'll snap to your candles, okay? Rejection candle here. Possible continuation. Still waiting, guys. Still not convinced on the bullishness here. Not the greatest candle for the 15 so far. Nice push up. More of a trap in my opinion. They know we all they know we're looking for longs. So they got to, in my opinion, they got to entice us, right? I think at the end of the day, if there's one thing that I think I do well during my live streams is I help you guys be patient. I think I do all right with that. Because there's trades and then there's, emotions, and managing both is not easy. But they're going to tease us, right? I mean, how many people got excited on that push-up? I did. Doesn't mean I'm going to act upon it, right? I think that's the regulation, the discipline you must have. I think. And yes, this can go up. And yes, we did have a trade setup right here that we missed, right? We missed this trade setup here, and that's fine. On to the next one, right? I think if we are just pressing buttons, right, we're going to end up blowing our accounts, not, regretting. Because once you're in the position, right? So it's like, you're going to start thinking, oh, man, I kind of rushed that. Oh, man, I shouldn't have taken that trade. Oh, man, I don't know if this is going to go this way. Is this a setup, right? That's what your brain's going to start saying to you. And then all of a sudden, it might go your way. It might go your way. But if you go into a little bit of drawdown and you see a little bit of red, down $10, down $40, down $100. Oh, I'm an idiot. Why did I press the button? This thing's never going to go my way. Closed at a loss. And then it goes against you. And then it goes up. Damn, if only I held that trade. I would have been up $200, but I closed it. Right? But I closed it. I should have held that trade. Oh, I took profit too early, right? And then you're trading with that mindset into your next trade. Right? It's a nasty spiral, man. It's a nasty spiral. Yesterday I took 4 trades. I got stopped out for $300 on one of them, and I had to take a break. And I mean, I crushed it yesterday. Like, I made a good chunk of money yesterday, but I took the loss yesterday. I took one good win, and then I took a loss. And I was right, but I rushed the trade. I stepped away from the computer, came back, then I crushed it again. It's so important to identify the spiral. Identify the mind spiral. When you're in the mind spiral, step the F away from your computer, close your exchange, get off your phone, or I don't trade on my phone. That's like a number 1 rule for me. I know a lot of y'all out there driving and trading. That's cool. Scalping's not for driving and trading. I tell you that much. What's the numbers of the golden pocket box? We got 110,971 here. Okay. Up to 111.45. Okay. I'll shoot some rays on there so you can see it on the right-hand side. Right? What a good discipline in here, right? We didn't buy that stupid candle. We missed the trade. We didn't FOMO in, right? That's going to separate you from being break even to profitable, or being a loser to a winner, right? It's those things. And I'm not perfect either. I make mistakes, but at the end of the day, I'm very rigorous with my risk management. So I'll cut a trade. I'll take another one, right? I'd rather identify me being undisciplined, cut the trade, and then re-enter properly. I think that's a lifesaver too. Rolling over here. NASDAQ flat too. I think Thursday's typically like a sideways day, a dump / sideways day for Bitcoin. I think Eric Crown talks about that. I'm not sure. Like statistically, Thursday is not the best day for up. I think he talks about that. Don't hold me to that, but I think he talks about that. Rolling over here. Still waiting here. So what altcoins are you guys looking at? You guys all buying Pengu or what? Ethereum's got to get above 2,900. Sui's looking really good. Pengu's doing good. Virtual's looking really good. What would be your AI pick? I like Render. I don't know about you guys. Sui, Moondeg. I got a big old bag of Sui. I like Render. What's your AI pick? Crypto Face rug pulling us at the second round of bingo last night. Good job, Face, man. Tau? BitTensor? BitTensor Tau. A lot of people say BitTensor Tau. Blockchain Crusader knows this stuff. I hold a big old bag of Render. Near, Tau, Render. It's dog poopy. AI 16Z. H-bar, Sui, Link, Ada. Okay. Alex, I'm using stop losses. All you're yelling at me finally sunk in. Good, JR. It's a must, bro. It's a must. What's going on, Jeanette? Good morning. Good to see you. Jeanette, we got a bull moon today. We got the bull moon, Jeanette. Today is the bullish moon. If you guys didn't know, now you do. We have a bullish moon here printing on the daily. A bull moon. I warned everybody in the Discord, and you know, I am going to take credit for this, but I did tell everybody in our Discord, the 9th and the 10th is when we're going to pump. Last week I said this. I think I'm losing my voice. Ask the Discord. Last week, I said the 9th and the 10th we're going to pump. Ask them. Just saying. Just saying. Just saying. Yep. I said it on stream too. I said tariffs, clarity on tariffs, and the bull moon. And it happened. I don't know. Give me a crystal ball, baby. Let's go. Seabass Crypto, what's going on, bro? I am doing well. Thank you for asking, man. I'm busy right now. I'm going to England for 10 days next week, so I won't be as live as normal. I'll try my best, but I mean, I'm going to try and take a little break next week, guys, so I can't promise you anything. I will be updating the Discord as much as I can. They will take priority, but and then I'm moving. I'm moving in August. I'm moving house, man. Exciting times. Exciting times. So life's good, God's good, family's healthy, happy. No-no's doing all right. I'm very grateful. The trading's going really well. The Discord's on fire. Everybody's kicking butt, taking names. The sun is shining. The golf swing's getting better, I guess. I'm shooting mid 80s. Still can't break 80 though. But very grateful. Very grateful. Just had my 3-year anniversary on YouTube, which is cool. I mean, 3 years streaming. My channel only started growing last January. I was streaming to my dog, my wife, my grandma, and my mom for 2.5 years, basically. So, just grateful, man. Just grateful. One thing I do is I just show up. Ask anybody. I just show up. I like this push here for Biddy. 12 minutes till market opens. I'd like this. This would be ideal in market opens. I think they're trapping longs right now. If you want my opinion, I think they're trapping longs. So we're looking for shorts. Generally. Looking for a short here. But we're coming into market open. So a little bit of patience, I think, is going to help us here. Trying to hold. $338 people in here. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. 147 likes. I shut up when we get to 200 likes, if you don't mind. Just smacking up those like buttons. Bitcoin just slow right now. See how it reacts. NASDAQ continuing to push here, looking strong. Higher lows all the way through. The SPY's looking strong as well. Let's see if we just open flat. If we open flat, maybe we put in a higher high. Maybe we open up a gap here. Gap up above this high, and then we come back, fill it, and then we go. We'll see. Right now, it seems as though Bitcoin's just either trapping longs in here, or it's going to rip. Right? We're trying to come back within this range and hold here. The SFP of these lows would be ideal as well. If we push and then we SFP and then we go, that would be good. Trying to climb back right now, so we'll see where it gets to. Remember, the VIX is quite low, so the price action is going to be slow, everybody. Ethereum looking good. Ethereum looks better than Bitcoin right now. Even though you got a lower low here, you're probably bull divs here trying to break that high. So that's a good shot for Ethereum. If it gets above this high, you buy the pullback. Bitcoin just trickling down instead, right? F Ethereum, yeah. Sir, love from India. Thank you for being here. I'm going to get some coffee before market opens, everybody. I'm going through the coffee like crazy today. My God.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.
He came up and gave me a hug.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better
Little
drip
man.
though. Pocket fat
Little
when the
man
chips
coming up
low.
and giving dad a hug.
AlexOCrypto, fit the party like
That's
a
the
disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
Can you guys hear him? You guys can probably hear him, can't you? I am biased, but I do have the cutest. I do have the cutest musics on. Thank you. I do have the most beautiful baby. I have the most beautiful baby in all of crypto. You can ask Alexander G. Top tunes. Let's go. 6 minutes here, everybody. Looks like we are pushing, but we have decreasing volume up into the highs here. What's CVD say? Increasing CVD. Buyers stepping up right now. Yeah, you had bullish absorption in the lows here. Double top. Nas is ripping, trying to push and continue. What's going on, Infinite? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Up 0.6R this week. Good job, Unholy. I mean, it's been very slow. I'm up like four or five. So I'm doing all right. 4.5 grand. So we're doing good this week, but AJ showed his baby yesterday on stream. That's awesome, man. I won't be showing my baby on stream ever. That's every parent's right to make a decision about what they want to do. Too many weirdos out there, man. So I'm typically risking 300 to make 900 unholy audio. So if I can make like a 2 to 3 R on that, so like $2,500 to about $3,500 a week, I'm really happy with that. That's typically what I'm aiming for. Nice push here. Army Piper shows his baby. It's a dog, by the way. Everybody here seems to have a dog except for me. What type of dog do you have? I know we got Dobermans. I know we got Labs in here. Broracle, what's going on, man? Good to see you in the chat, man. How you doing? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up those like buttons. Bitcoin pushing up into our golden pocket as we speak, looking for a potential rejection here coming into market open. We have 2 minutes, okay? A little bit of patience will prevail. Okay, it seems like Bitcoin's trying to push up here and trying to get above, but we got momentum and the golden pocket really acting as resistance right now, so no trade, just waiting. A little bit of patience will prevail. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, subscribing. If you are new, we are here every single Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., trading this live in front of you guys, showing you everything, the P&L, the trade setups, the entries, the exits, all that stuff. This is never financial advice. We're just a hobbit in an igloo in Canada, pressing buy and sell successfully, and hopefully we can help you do the same. Bitcoin ramping here, looking strong. ETH looking strong as well, making that high. Okay, closing above that high here. NASDAQ continuing to push equal highs here coming into market open. The SPY as well looking for a gap up and then a retracement back down. I'm pretty convinced they're trapping longs right now, but no trade, just waiting here. Coming into our first golden pocket rejection level. Okay. Patience here, everybody. Market's going to be open in 50 seconds. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you say good morning. Otter Gang, man. This is the Otter Gang, gang. I've been really struggling lately. I think today's the day I will join the Discord. If you're struggling, Rob, I mean, stick close, man. Not necessarily the Discord isn't going to flip you profitable. We will teach you everything we know, but in these conditions, it can be hard to navigate. It can be hard to navigate because it's slow, right? You have to wait for your setup. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting into a position where you're not doing too well. Coming to VWAP. Golden pocket here, smack. Market is open. S&P gapping up. Okay, nice push for the S&P. See if it wants to continue. Bitcoin, little rejection out of the golden pocket right now as we speak. Rolling over. Reckon the late bulls. We'll see if volume picks up here, everybody. Thank you for being here on the live. Market is open. Ring-a-ding-dingy. Smoking the ling-lingy. Let's go, baby. Let's see how we roll today. VWAP golden pocket 786 coming into play right now this morning. We do have a little bit of bottoming structure with the higher low anchor trigger wave here coming up, pushing. We'll see if we get up here coming into our 111,000 rejection level. We'll see if that does get rejected and if it can continue to push here. I would prefer an SFP of the lows in here. If we could come back down, SFP and bounce, that would be ideal. But right now we just wait. Let's see how it materializes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up the like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. What's going on, buddy? Little man's over here on the right-hand side. Hey, buddy, how's it going? Hey, man. He's on one. Nice roll over here. Golden pocket rejection level. Did not take the short. Coming back down here. Uh-oh. Little man's upset now. Mama had to come and rescue me. Thanks, Mama. Oh, who got short on this one, man? Put a 1 in the chat if you're short off of the golden pocket rejection there. My God. I mean, downtrend, golden pocket, momentum to the downside, right? You got multiple confluence in one area, right? Not saying this is it. I'm just saying trap traders, right? Trap longs up here. What will they do to trap longs? They'll send it right back down on their head. Okay. No trade for us. We just wait. All the victims in here crying right now. Okay, that's fine. ETH rejection as well. NASDAQ, big rejection. Bitcoin rolling over here. At the end of the day, what do? We protect you guys, right? We protect you guys. All right, SFP of the low. Coming right back down. Good patience, everybody. Good to see you, Sniper. Good morning, Dragonfly. Ding, 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 ding. Dixie pumping. Yeah, could be in trouble here. Thank you guys for being here. All right, roll over here. NASDAQ dumping. SPY dumping. Like we said, come up, fill the gap. Right? Come up, fill the gap. Bitcoin rolling over heavy here. Coming down to our first bounce level. Damn, Daniel. All right, rolling over here for Bitcoin. Coming back for late longs. Good job on that golden pocket call, everybody. No trade just yet. Still waiting here. It's going to be a big-ass orb. This is going to be the orb of all orbs, everybody. Top of the orb. We should have shorted the orb, the top of the orb there, but market open, right? It's a shoulda, coulda, woulda. We were waiting for that level all morning. Damn, Daniel. That's all right. SFP, can it come back up and close within the range, or are we going to continue downwards? Key levels down below, we got 110.526 for the SFP, and we also have 110.250. Bitcoin rolling over here, rugging everybody. Getting everybody too excited. NASDAQ rolling over as well. There's some momentum to the upside. Bitcoin continues to drop here. No trade, still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 370 people here, 180 likes. If we can get those likes up to the watchers, that'd be great. Bitcoin continuing to roll over. Not looking too purty. Good morning, Dragonfly. Rudy, good morning. Good to see you from Belgium. Thank you for your chocolate. Push back here. Retest to previous lows. Continuation trade possibility right now. Still waiting here, everybody. Beautiful golden pocket rejection this morning. Jeez, that was good. Here comes the pushback. Now we wait. Still waiting. Nice SFP. Got 2 minutes on this candle still, everybody. Here's your wick test. That's a wick test in here. No trade. Still waiting. Nice sweep. NASDAQ bouncing. Bitcoin bouncing. No trade. Indecision right now. No trade. Got good posturing on VWAP. Overextension on the 12 and the 24. Bitcoin bleeding out here. Failing to get above that momentum. Continuing to roll over here. Trying to close back within the range. We still got a minute left on this candle. I'd like to see this go lower, really. No close, back within the range. We're below the range right now. 40 seconds left on this candle. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Much love to every single one of you guys. 400 people in here hanging out. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're here live trading every single day. Big rejection here. Wick test, perfect. Continuation down. Coming back for late longs. Nice bounce up here. Pushback. Candle printed below the range. No trade. Bearish. It's a green candle, but it ain't pretty. NASDAQ still rolling over. SPY recovering a little bit. ETH recovering a little bit. Bitcoin flat. Like to see a sweep of 110,500. Developing a trigger wave here. Bullish divergence on the 3-minute. Still waiting here. No trade. I'd prefer here, but can we close back within that range? Pretty cheap trade if we can close here. If we can close above here, pretty cheap trade back up to the top of the orb. If you can close back within the range here, I get long. If we close back in the range here. Got 1 minute left on this candle here. I like the trigger wave here. Money flow coming in. It's got to show me that it means business right now. NASDAQ, no. SPY, no. ETH, no. No trade. Lower. 30 seconds on this candle, everybody. 400 people here. Thank you for being here. We need 8 more likes, guys. Come on. Let's go. Little battle here. No trade. Still waiting. 12 minutes ugly. $24 still needs some time here. Hourly looks gross as well. I think it needs some more time here, guys. If we're going to get long, short's playing, man. Coming down to this low here, probably. Ugly candle again on the 3 minute. See if we can push. Two ugly candles. Looks like continuation down. It's got to close back within that range. $9.42, 3 minutes till orb. God bless everybody here. Thank you for being here. Giver's Gain in the chat. What's going on, Billy? Or Giver's Gain, whoever it is, man. Red Man. All you guys. BioMex. God bless Billy Go Tails, man. Looks like we're coming lower here, everybody. Bitcoin rolling over. Let me know in the chat, is anybody long? Is anybody short? Ones for longs, twos for shorts. Let me know. I need to know. You got the short on the wick test. Good job. Coming down right now. Dumping. There's that SFP. There's that SFP of that low. Volume. I'm long. Stop loss to entry. Push it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Up we go. Up we go, baby. Don't be a namby-pamby. Push it. Let's go, baby. I'm taking out half there. Stop loss at entry, everybody. We waiting for it all day. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We going to Valhalla, man. Leaving these guys in the dust. We were looking for that sweep all morning as well. Come on, Biddy. Let's go, baby. GG's. That was the easiest SFP I've ever seen in my life. I've been looking for it all day. Let's go, Bitcoin. And take profit at VWAP. And take off half here. Guarantee some moolah, haha. Oh no, it doesn't. It's running away. Don't be a namby-pamby now, Bitcoin. VWAP's up here. Do you guys use the indicators and stuff on the exchanges? We're going to get nothing out of this now. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Are you guys long? Were you guys looking for the SFP as well? Damn, Daniel, they're going to come back for me? I'm not that important, man. I'm just some little igloo man here hanging out. I got to take some off, man. I can't just get away with nothing. Really? That's nasty, man. What kind of price action is this? We up $300 and then it just dumps right back down on us, man. Right back to our entry. That's nasty. I don't like you, Bitcoin. That was very mean of you. Orb is in, everybody. Nice orb today, quite large actually, 0.5%. Bitcoin emotional damage. No kidding, man. What is this? I mean, I made $50 on the trade, but it's about to. I ain't taking profit down here. It's going to stop me out. Look at this. That's not very nice, Bitcoin. I don't appreciate what you just did. Scam wicking everybody. We caught a beautiful SFP. Now we've round tripped it for $40. Let's take it again, he says. Stopped out in profit. Here's our SFP. We'll see where we go now. GG's, I guess. Very good execution. I mean, what am I supposed to flash close that? You can't. That's scammy, man. That's scammy. I'm not impressed, Bitcoin. I'm not impressed. I mean, it is a win. After fees, $25. I mean, this is absolute dog trash, man. I'm not impressed with that. I guess we can put GG. Yeah, I wouldn't even put GG's. I would put BS. Let's see some BS in the chat. Oh, well. Oh, well. On to the next one, right? I still like the bull div down here. They Darth Mauled us, guys. They did the Darth Maul. How's ETH looking? Okay, ETH not looking too happy. SPY's okay. Damn. The NAS got beaten up. Okay. Can't believe it sent it back down. Possibly should have stayed in that, but now we're in orb. If we can get above VWAP, we'd be taking this to Valhalla. NASDAQ losing big momentum here. Breakdown, retest, continuation down possibly for NASDAQ. Bitcoin chopping about, wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears. Looking here now. 110, 250. But then we lose an orb, so. Still waiting here, guys. See if we can get that pushback on the 3-minute trigger wave here. 12-minute Darth Maul candle. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears. Apples and pears. Taking the stairs, man. Yep, NASDAQ getting rejected here. Breakdown, retest. Continuation down for the NASDAQ. SPY rolling over as well. Bitcoin holding flat. I'd expect a little bit of a rollover here. That's just what we expect. VWAP crossover to the upside. 3-minute. 5-minute getting rejected here. Short time frames look decent on Bitcoin, but remember the higher term time frames are a little bit overextended. Bitcoin getting bought up here. I feel like taking a stab long again. 1 minute on this candle, looking very strong. Buyers stepping in. Yeah, we got absorption in here a little bit. That's a good candle on the 3. Wick test continuation, possibility. Just so much resistance in front of us, right? Like to get long here, we have all of this in front of us, so it's a little bit more risky here. It could be a cheap trade. Still waiting here. Okay. SFP of the lows on the NASDAQ. This is typically where you get a nice bounce if we're going to get it. Take this long up into VWAP possibly. Considering a long here. Take a stab. Might as well take a stab. Stop loss below orb. Looking to get up to that VWAP into this high here for first TP. Might be forcing it here, guys. I like this bounce level. Might be forcing it here. Probably a silly trade. Doesn't feel right. Doesn't feel right. Come on, Biddy, you got to go, man. NASDAQ keeps rolling over. You got to go, Biddy. I like market cipher looks good. Green dot anchor, trigger wave, 12-minute overextended to the downside. Bullish pushback, 24 looks good as well. Doji indecisive, trying to push back above this momentum. Curving to the upside. 1 hour trigger wave coming right up. It's all there. Let's see if it wants to go. If not, whatever. We've managed risk. We're taking a trade. Damn, Daniel, this is nasty now. Come on, push Bitcoin. Don't be a namby-pamby. Let's go. Let's go. Get on your horse. Get on your horse. Up to VWAP. Take that high. Let's go, Biddy. Push. Very choppy right now. Considering breaking even. What do you guys think? Hold the trade, close the trade. 1 to hold the trade, 2 to close the trade. You guys let me know. Close the trade. I've moved my stop loss under here. No follow through here. Push, Biddy. Come on, Biddy, push. Come on, Biddy. Don't be a namby-pamby. Let's go. Valhalla awaits you. Oh. Oh. Break even. Come on, Biddy. Stop loss to entry. Stopped out. I listened to the crowd. I don't know if I should have. Break even trade, everybody. Which is nice. I mean, I wasn't confident on that trade either. We were willing to take the $200 loss once we moved our stop loss up here. Okay. Break even trade. Typically runs me about $80 with fees, right? Let's see how it plays out, everybody. Thank you guys for your beautiful guidance today. That's all right. I'd rather take the lump there, right? Than take the lump down here, lose $400 down here, right? This price action's terrible, guys. Great SFP trade, right? I mean, it's all there on Market Cipher, but look at this thing, man. Great close, everybody. Good close. I think that's more GGs than a winning trade sometimes. GGs, GGs, GGs. How are you guys profitable with fees? Fees get wrecked. I mean, you could use like MexC. We do have a link for MexC. Fees are a bit cheaper there. We do, anytime we give you guys affiliate links, I always ask for cheapest fees. So I think our Bitunix link, you get VIP3. Our BYDFI, you get VIP2. So I always ask for cheaper fees on the on all of our exchanges that we use on this channel. So you can see those in the description down below. You have deposit bonuses, but at the end of the day, I always make sure that if we are going to get a deal, it's going to be, you know, all of our fees. BYDFI, it's cheaper fees. VIP2, I believe here. Bitunix, VIP3 up here, right? Cheaper fees. And you can use MexC if you want. I'm not the biggest advocate for MexC. Obviously, cheapest fees around. Be cautious with MexC. That's all I got to say. Make sure you're always entering your stop loss right away. I had a little bit of issues with them, so. But, I mean, it's cheapest fees around. Good close here, guys. This is pretty pathetic right now. Coming into 10 o'clock. That's enough out of me. My God. Interesting day, everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. One win, one loss. Pretty much break even for the day. We'll see what else we can find. I'll update the Discord later on and let you guys know what I'm looking for. Chopping about right now. NASDAQ not looking too hot, so we'll see if Bitcoin wants to hold. Potentially rolling over here, guys, in a downtrend. So make sure you guys are using good risk management. Come over to the Discord. I'll see you guys there. God bless you guys and have a wonderful day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets.